Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Emily. In this video we are celebrating Crafty Meraki's latest release, and I will be creating one card using the new Gilded Greetings. I have the stamp set and the coordinating dies, and there is also a EAP pack available if you like to use that. I heat set this with some white embossing powder and some sticky ink, and you can see here how beautiful everything turns out and how easy it is to create multiple sentiments in one go. And I love that this was a one layering stamp set. Here is another stamp that is one piece, and this one is called Jingle Jules, I think it's called. And I wanted to, instead of just taking all of these pieces and cutting them out, I will actually keep them as a card front like this. So this was a super simple card that I created for this video hop. By the way, this video is a part of a video hop to celebrate their latest release, and all the information that you need will be listed down below in the description box. And the information you need is probably who is next in the hop and all the details about how to enter the giveaways. So don't miss that chance to get some goodies from Crafty Meraki. So yeah, now I sped up my coloring. I'm not that fast in real life on coloring, and I really like my Ola markers that I'm using here on screen. I didn't go for traditional holiday colors. I really like bright pinks and teal colors, so I kept to a color scheme that I enjoy using. And I also will go ahead and color some of these images off camera just to save some time in this video. I will also after a while here go in and color in the entire back piece, we can call it back piece, on this in pink, just to get a contrast. I will also zoom in a little bit here so you can see how I colored in some of the ornaments here. I really enjoyed this coloring process. I had a lot of fun. These are kind images to color in, if that makes sense. They are big and bold and not too difficult to color. And you can see I'm using maybe 1 or 2 shades for all of my coloring here. For this one I went in with a Copic marker just because I don't have a wide tip on my Ola markers. I only have the brush tip, which I love for coloring images, but for this it was perfect to have that chisel nib as well. And I wanted some gold splatters. This is a really old product from Heidi Swap. It's a gold shimmer spray, but I just flicked it on top just to get some gold in there. But you can use whatever you have, and you can also go with black splatters or something like that, or gems or anything else, just to create a more united front for my card panel here. I also went in with a white gel pen here and created highlights and colored in some of the parts of my stamp here with white, just to bring it back to life, the image, after I made all of the splatters. I used some liquid glue and attached my panel down to a top folded A2 card front, and my sentiment, just a note. I will also raise that up a little bit with some dimension and pop that back down once more with some glue. So this was a really simple card, and I love that this stamp comes connected like this. So I hope you got an idea on how you can use these connected panels in simple cards like this. Here I'm just using some jewels from Crafty Meraki, as well as their new jewel picker, and it's a really sweet one. I love the rainbow color on it, and I will just pick them up and then put them down in the liquid glue that I already have been putting down on my card front here. So don't forget that this video is a part of a video hop, and all of the products that I used in this video will be linked down below, and the next person in line will be the first link also in the comments. Or sorry, not in the comments, in the description box down below. Until next time, have a great day. Bye!